So hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, this is Subham. He is my camera person. He always helps me guys to make videos. He studies in 10th class. Now I am going to ask some question. So Subham, do you speak English?
Yes, थोड़ी
Thodi, more or less. He is feeling shy guys. He is feeling shy. And okay. So in which class do you study?
10th.
10th class.
Yes.
Okay. So do you know your subjects?
Maths.
Maths. Only math.
Yes.
What about other subjects? English?
English.
English. Do you know English?
Yes.
Okay. I am going to speak one sentence. You have to make it in English. मैं आम खाता हूँ.
I eat mangoes.
Oh, that's amazing. I eat mango. Okay. कल मैंने आम खाया था.
Today is mango.
Okay, like I ate mango, na? I ate mango yesterday. Okay. What are you doing here? यहाँ पर आप क्या कर रहे हो?
I am a Grace Fellows.
Guys, my hand is shaking because I am holding my mobile.
वीडियो हटा दो आप.
So guys, here we are grazing buffaloes. You can't believe, but I am going to show you buffaloes. So can you see buffaloes? But how come I can show here buffaloes? Okay, I am showing you in my front camera. That is why it is going on. So also I am going to this guy. And okay, let me ask some questions. So what is your name?
Rajput.
Sagar Rajput. They are feeling shy guys. I don't know why. I don't feel shy even though I also live in village area. So Sagar, don't laugh. I'm just asking you some questions.
So guys, इन्हें support करिए और
So-
subscribe कीजिए.
So Sagar, किस कक्षा में आप पढ़ते हो?
बोलो. 7th class.
7th class. English medium school और हिंदी medium school?
हाँ.
हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? English medium. Guys, he studies in English medium. And let me ask one question, normal question. Let's see whether he can able to make or not. So Sagar, मैं चाय पीता हूँ. इंग्लिश में बनाओ. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. ओके, पीने की क्या होती है इंग्लिश?
पीने की.
पीने की होती है ड्रिंक ना?
ड्रिंक थोड़े ना हुई.
ड्रिंक होती है. आई एम अ इंग्लिश ट्रेनर, नॉट अ टीचर. So I train my students. I have educated, highly educated to teach. So drink, take, you can say take guys. पीने के लिए हमारे पास take भी है, have भी है, drink भी है, you know. So if I say that I take tea, so I means क्या होता है? I means आँख होता है guys. See, और I means होता है मैं, you know. But he is confused whether I means I or आँख or I means I. It's totally yeah, English is totally confusing language. Even I sometimes get confused. But since I have been teaching like for long period of time, so I can figure out what is right and what is wrong. Oh my God. My hand hurts. Actually, I am holding this mobile. So Sagar, okay guys, let me show you all the greenery. So this is Subham. He has come again. So Subham, why do you graze buffalo? Why do you graze buffalo? So guys, they are feeling shy, so I'm not going to talk to them. But let me tell you my story, how I learned English. I learned English by grazing buffaloes. Look at my buffaloes are there. There are so many buffaloes, and I think 2 of them are mine. So don't mind that I graze buffaloes. So many people say, what what should I do to learn English? Should I join any English institute? Should I join any class online, or what to do? I think it depends on you. See, I didn't join any class, I didn't buy any book, pen, and I didn't hire any teacher. I learned English by myself while grazing buffaloes with such kind of boys. Okay. So क्या आप लोग इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो?
यस
सच में? क्या आप लोग इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो स्कूल में?
स्कूल में तो नहीं सीख सकते हैं.
So this is village. Can you hold my mobile? Oh shit. Oh yes. So guys, actually my hand hurts a lot. So I'm going to tell you guys that anyone can become fluent in English, but you must have passion. If suppose you want to eat apple, and you are not doing any kind of effort, so how will you eat apple? So you have to do some work for that. And if I talk about myself, so I was totally confused, like what to do, what not to do. Even I'm blazer, I have been always with such kind of boys and people in village. I doing hard work and so many things. I didn't get time to learn this language, but now I can speak English just because of my hard work, my consistency, and my perseverance. I didn't care about people, what would they say if I speak in English in front of them. And I used to be a shy boy. I didn't open my mouth in front of any of my friend, let alone in public. But today it's like a piece of cake. I can speak. I don't care about who is going to say what, but I speak. Whenever I speak, so I don't think that whether people are in front of me or not. So this is, of course, it depends on you. It's not a rocket science. If people can go to the moon, so can't you learn English? So people are doing lots of things in their life. So what you have to do, you have to learn this language. You have to do something by which people can like get attracted towards you. They can appreciate you. They can they may like you, talking to you. Otherwise it's really very difficult. People don't like. See, earlier I was just a blazer, so people didn't like talking to me. They just said, oh, you are just a yokel and normal boy. What you have to like show here, and you are not important. But today so many of my villagers, they come to my home and they request me to teach their kids, because I am the only one in my village who is speaking in English. So whenever they watch my videos, they get shocked that how come I haven't seen Gyanen going to school, and he is not educated. However, he is speaking in English. He is speaking in English like everywhere. Also, he makes video. He teaches also. How come? How could it be possible? It's a like miracle. But it's a not miracle, guys. It's a like your effort, your hard work, your consistency. If you are commitment, if you are hungry towards your dream, so no one can stop like from what you want to get. Even God like comes to help you. So many people come to help you when you start helping you. But when you start cursing you, so many people are here to curse you. So guys, don't think so many things at the same time. Just keep going. If you can't walk, so you can like crawl. If you like, so many people are flying in the sky, you know. I don't want to fly. I don't care about who is running, who is flying. I want to like crawl on the ground. Of course, they will come when I'm going to walk, when I'm going to run, when I'm going to fly in the sky. So just wait for the time and keep patient, because patient is a virtue. सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. So thank you so much guys. I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, and that is how I will motivate you and support, and I will tell you how to become fluent in English. Thank you so much guys. Bye.